Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Cash App card not showing up on your Cash App. So if you want to be able to fix it, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. Because actually I had the exact same problem myself. What I did to be able to fix it quite quickly, I firstly just closed my Cash App and instead I went into my settings. So go into your settings, and now on this page what you're going to do, you're just going to scroll down and then you're going to click where it says general. So click on general. Now scroll down a little bit again and click on storage. So I just waited for this page right here to completely load. And by the way, if you're using an Android, don't worry, you're just going to do the exact same thing to just find storage on your Android. And then what you're going to do after that, similar to if you have an iPhone, of course, we're just going to scroll down and we're going to find the Cash App in here. So I'm just going to keep scrolling down until I can find it. So here it is, as you can see, Cash App. So what I'm going to do now is to click on Offload App, and then once again click on Offload App in here, as you can see. And then I'm going to click on the blue button here again. And what will happen now is that you will now get automatically a new update for Cash App, and you need to be able to do so because if you're currently running on like an older update, then there's going to be a bunch of bugs. And one of them is that your card is not showing as well for sure. And this, by the way, fixed this issue for me. So try and see if it actually helps you. If it doesn't, then you can always go back into your Cash App and then contact support and explain to them that your card is not showing. But try this and I hope that this will be able to fix this issue for you.